Shane is nature South Africa, honestly speaking. Players that they rise in the occasions are special talented players. I'm not saying we're like special talented, but in thing in I think he's got unenkinga nje ne character. Kune-drive ne-character like inhliziyo. And not to say he can't improve. Look at the age. And I guess some nigga based on his age. Yeah, but some nigga that umfana ngoba une-support food structure from the development. Siphinde enye into simfake lo 7 omncane, but the boy there's a bright future ahead of this boy Shane. Asikhulumeni var. Kune bright future. Kune age. Mhlambe singamnika benefit of the doubt and say really okay asimnika another 2-3 season. The boy I'm sure makafika labo 2024-25 uzoba kwenye level. But truly speaking is in South Africa isn't it so when you go to Europe you know Shane players that the high profile kumagame nje they kunama expectation kibo. I'm talking about Abo Messi, Neymar, whoever, Cristiano Ronaldo. The list goes on. Bernardo Silva, Kevin De Bruyne, they rise up to the occasions. La kunama expectation ngoba kusile game kuphela la ukhuluma ngawo Durban City and stuff. Kunama game Abu Dhabi, bo Champions League, where it matters more they're not showing up baveza isandla. We understand. And ama players that bonga ubheka ngabo talent but and stuff and then they raise isandla because of the character. So kune-drive njenga South African players and ile nto le mina engayifunda ngikhula. Coaches when they develop players they really do these things am 1v1 2v2 to create that strong character. You understand? And a small one side, small sided, one touch. Yes, several times so that players can develop touchy bodies capacity. And South Africa, I think, lot of has overlooked. And as in today's when it comes here, it matters most. But Pirates, especially, congratulations for winning 20 meter. About fun enjoy, but bus particular. I mean, I see end of the road. I'm a players that are quality muntu Khamula. I mean, Mangitu Khamula, Sabanida and the next season. My they going to the World Cup. This is only the beginning for Orlando Pirates. Who knows? They can win the league several times. This is supposed to be a learning curve. Pirates won, but truly speaking, they never scored 2 goals. A goal that's been scored by Obit. But the Pirates fagili pressure. But they need to learn going forward. They need to maintain this. They need to sit down in Kulmang technical team and look at things such as this. If I was koranga, what more needs to be done?